everyone, my name is Angela Matamang and I am here with my partner.
Sanjot Paudel.
And today we will be presenting on how Breeze Climb Sydney aligns its operation with circular economy principles. We'll explore how this leading tourism business is moving beyond the traditional linear economy model to create more sustainable and regenerative business practices. And for slide 2, we have understanding economic models. And a linear economy is a traditional model where resources are extracted, used to make products, and then discarded as waste. It follows a take, make, dispose program. In contrast, a circular economy keeps resources in use for as long as possible through reuse, recycling, and regeneration. It aims to eliminate waste entirely. This model supports sustainability by designing waste out of the system and keeping materials in continuous use. And for slide 3, organization overview. The name of the organization we have chosen for today is Breeze Climb Sydney, and it's a premier tourism operator based in New South Wales. It offers guided climbs to the summit of the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and it's owned by Feliz Puente Pty Ltd. Sorry for the pronunciation. And its official website is breezeclimb.com. And for next slide, initiative 1, sustainable printing. The first initiative refers to sustainable printing practices. Breeze Climb Sydney has made a conscious effort to reduce paper use by digesting communication and booking processes. When printing is required, they partner with FSC certified companies, ensuring that paper products come from responsibly managed forests. This helps reduce deforestation and contributes to sustainable resource management. And for slide 5, link to circular economy. This initiative supports the circular economy by focusing on resource efficiency and waste reduction. Rather than consuming large volume of papers, Breeze Climb Sydney limits use and ensures that any paper that do use is sustainably resourced. In comparison, a business operating under a linear model may not consider the environmental impact of using non-recycled paper or overprinting. And I would like to hand over the remaining slides to my partner Sanjok. Thank you.
Going through slide 6, we got initiative 2. It's environmental cleanup participation. So in this one, the second initiative is their long-standing involvement in Clean Up Australia Day. Breeze Climb staff and volunteers help remove litter and plastic waste from areas around Sydney Harbour. This community-driven effort reflects their commitment to maintaining the natural environment in their business depends on. It also helps prevent pollution from entering waterways and damaging local ecosystems. Going through slide 7, we got circular economy link. It's initiative 2 as well. This initiative aligns with circular economy goals by actively removing waste from the environment and preventing it from entering the landfill or ocean. Unlike a linear economy model that typically ends with disposal, Breeze Climb engages in environmental stewardship, reinforcing the idea that companies should be responsible for post-consumption impacts. It's a perfect example of extending responsibility beyond the business direct operations. Going through our slide 8, it's initiative 3, we got carbon neutral certification. So the third initiative is that Breeze Climb is a certified carbon neutral organization under Climate Active, an Australian government backed up program. This means they calculate their total greenhouse gas emissions, reduce their where possible, and purchase offsets for the remaining emissions. So achieving the certificate involves rigorous audits and ongoing improvement. It shows a commitment to low emissions tourism and climate responsibility. So going through our next slide, it's slide 9. It's economic link initiative. So this states that carbon neutrality fits directly within the circular economy framework, which promotes systems that regenerate natural ecosystems and reduce reliance on finite resources. Instead of ignoring emissions like a linear economy, BRICS takes action to account for and neutralize its carbon footprint. This benefits not only the business but also the broader environment and community. So the next slide, it's a summary. So in a nutshell, to summarize, BRICS Sydney demonstrates clear alignment with circular economic principles through reducing and responsibly sourcing printed materials, environmental cleanup participation, carbon neutral certification, and sustainable printing practices. Their approach proves that sustainability can be embedded in every part of the tourism experience. So last but not the least, we got all the references we used for our presentation. So here you can see what sites we use for our presentation. Thank you so much for listening to us.
Yeah, thank you to our lecturer, Fazil Zainal,
Fazul.
for this opportunity. Thank you.